I've held leadership experiences before, but this was truly revolutionizing in terms of it has helped me become a more complete leader than I previously was. I'm sure this is something that I'm going to use not just in the employment that I take after this, but for the future in all aspects of life. Thank you.
I didn't think this would be an eye-opener for me. With 10 years of consulting, I thought the leadership skills were almost there. I just need to refine it. But this gave me the opportunity to look at leadership from different perspectives, not just as in a corporate consulting world, but various industries, various ways of presenting. To me, the one that stood out the most was Story Lab. Till then, I didn't realize the art of storytelling looks very different when you actually start expressing yourself.
The MRLE program has been nothing less than engaging and exciting. Ever since I came here for my one-year master's, I've been a part of it, taking part in a number of events like the Leadership Crisis Challenge, the Story Lab, and the Legacy Lab has made me come up as a better and a more empowering leader. Now, whenever I lead for the team, lead with the people, and I think after this experience, once I go back to start working, people could make a difference in the way I talk and the way I perceive things, and especially the post and the pre-leadership assessment change, which I contacted the peers. They could even see the change in me, and I'm really thankful to Sanger for organizing this. This is perhaps the best part about my one-year master's at Michigan Ross, and I truly value it. Thank you so much.
MRLE experience as reflective. It gives you an opportunity to reflect about yourself and, more importantly, identify and empower your leadership skills and build around it.
My favorite part about Michigan Ross Leader Endorsement was actually how much I learned about myself and the need to use the talents that I provide my teams. Inspiring teams is the most important thing for me, and I didn't realize until I'd gone through programs like Legacy Lab, like the Leadership Crisis Challenge, that I needed to understand what talents I brought to the table and how I could best serve my team through me. This program has been instrumental in that learning for me.
That's been a great opportunity to improve myself as a leader, learning new skills, also for learning from others, taking into account all the achievements during the program, getting involved with many different activities, getting myself out of the comfort zone. I have grown so much that I'm a new person. I'm closer to be the leader that I want to be now, thanks to this opportunity. And this is just the beginning.
I had the opportunity to work with people from diverse backgrounds, and it helped me to improve my communication, collaboration, and leadership skills.
The MRLE program helped me a lot, especially the one-on-one peer coaching sessions and also the one-on-one leadership sessions. I always believed in growth is just not by alone, it's always when you grow others as well. Through these coaching sessions, I understood how to grow others in a meaningful way, and I really appreciate that coaching which I've got here.
My experience with MRLE has been really amazing. It was an eye-opener wherein I was able to reflect on where I was doing well in terms of my leadership traits and where I was falling short. And wherever I was falling short, all the coaches here at Sanger and the peer coaches helped me reflect and empowered me to the right direction. And I'm really glad that I've completed my MRLE endorsement today. And hopefully the leadership path ahead is as enriching as it has been in the last 2 years of my Ross MBA program.
Through this, I have realized my strengths and weaknesses that I had in the all different quadrants of Michigan model of leadership, and through knowing my weaknesses and strengths, I have been able to transform myself, acquire new skills, and build up the ammunition to face the business world outside.
It's made me into a more well-rounded leader for myself, my organization, and I think the world at large.